This is T with Teaquilts, and we are at the end of our retreat this week. I'd like to thank my committee members, Kevin, Jennifer, and Jason. We did a fantabulous job. Thanks to all the Teaquilters that came to the Quilt retreat. They're now on their way home. The majority of them, we still got another load to drop off at the airport. But I just wanted to thank everybody for coming. Safe travels to you, and hope to see you again next year.